I guess in this video I'm going to discuss about projection in MongoDB. So about the projection, so it selecting only required data rather than selecting whole data of a document. So at here I'm using Studio 3T for MongoDB. So let's see first collection, whatever the collection inside. So add here department ID, department name and manager and your location ID. Now here after writing the query for projection. So add here we need to write add here DB here after dot. So add here EMP. Now the next is going to use find. So about the find, selecting document in a collection and returns a cursor to the selected document. So this is the use of find. Now here after inside the find we need to use first a part that is curly braces. Now here after let's use one more curly braces and here going to use key. So add your key and your colon here one. So this is the first part. So if I execute this query, so it's a displaying only key part. So ID is the key. So ID in MongoDB, ID is the just considered as a primary key. So if you give at here 1, so that means it's displaying at here this all values. Now suppose if I give at here 0. So 0 that is displaying all the contents inside or EMP. So at here this all documents inside EMP. So if you wanna check, you can use at here DB EMP find. So that means if you give at here key value 1, so it only select the key or columns. So see at here key columns or key field. Now the next is at here going to use DB again. So DB dot. Now here selecting EMP again. Now here after let's use find and here again curly braces. Now here after, so this time going to use at your column or so at your column or department ID. So at here going to use or column first at this point going to use department ID, department name is there, so going to use at here department underscore name. So department underscore name here going to use colon and here 1. So at here if you execute this query, so see at here it's only selecting department name values and with ID. Now the next is at here, so if you give at here or 0, so here so it's displaying the value except department names. So that means at here 1 that is true, 0 means false. So if you are using so department name, so it's 0 that means it is a false. So except the department ID it's all displaying at here. Now if you give at here 1 that is true, so department ID that is true. Now here if you execute, so it's displaying department name with key. So I don't want to display these things. Okay, I don't want to display ID. So for this we need to use at here comma and here in double quote or let's give underscore ID and ID, so it should be in small ID and here the value should be 0. Now here after execute this query, so at here I'm getting some kind of error message. So okay, we need to use this inside curly braces. So at here this curly braces we have to close at this point. Now execute once again. So see at here ID value it's not displaying, so it's all null. So if you give at here 1, so this will display 1 means true. So if you execute here 1, so it's displaying with ID values. Now if you give at here 0, so it display without ID. So at here let's copy that and here paste it down. So At this point, so this time not going to use ID, and here going to use at this point some filter condition. So at here, let's check the contents record inside ENP collection. So at here, I want to display or department ID 10 values. So at here, we need to write at this point or department underscore ID. So this value column and here 10. So if that match with 10, so it will return at your department name values. So see at here, so there are only two. Department ID has the 10 values. So it's a, if the it so at this point that is to the filter, and here after that, so if the condition is matched, then that display or department name add here. So you're gonna check. So here execute this query. So see at here department ID. So administrator and here accounting. Now if you execute this query, so here administrator and accounting it's displaying. Now here after you can include some more columns. So if you not give at here, if you give at here, so 0. So except the department names it will display. So except department name here. So 10 and here manager ID 200 and here 1700 is the location ID. So here, so 0 means that is false, so it's not match, or and here 1, so that means department name that is true. So at here it's displaying administrator and accounting. Now here after you can add some more columns. So let's give at here comma, and here I'm going to add location ID, location underscore ID. Now here let's give 1. Now hereafter, so first that will do add a filter. Hereafter that will display department name. So it's true, and here it also true. So let's execute that. So see at here location ID 1700 it's a display. So this is the use of at here projection in MongoDB. So it's selecting only required data rather than selecting whole data in a document. So by using this we can do the filter at here. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.